In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase cell size in Excel. We're talking about two things: the width of columns and the height of rows. Adjusting these lets you make text easier to read, create space for longer entries, or format your sheet so it looks clean and professional. I will show you two reliable methods: a quick mouse drag for fast changes, and a menu-based approach when you need precise measurements. First, the mouse drag method, which is the fastest. To expand a column, move your cursor to the top of your sheet and hover over the line between two column letters. For example, between A and B. When you are in the right spot, your cursor changes into a double-sided arrow. Click, hold, and drag to the right to make that column wider. Release when it looks right. This is great when you just need a bit more room to show all your content without cutting anything off. You can do the same for rows. On the far left, hover between two row numbers, like between 1 and 2. When the cursor changes to that same double-sided arrow, click and drag downward to increase the row height. This is especially helpful if you have wrap text or taller content that needs more vertical space. Take a moment to preview how your data looks as you drag so you don't go too far. Now let's use the menu method for exact sizing. Start by selecting the cell, an entire row, or an entire column you want to expand. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, in the Cells group. Click Format. From there, choose Column Width if you are adjusting a column or select Row Height if you are adjusting a row. A small box appears where you can type in the exact numerical value you want. Click OK and Excel applies that precise size. This approach is perfect when you want consistent dimensions across multiple columns or rows, or when you are following a specific layout guideline, while you are in that same format dropdown. You can also choose AutoFit column width. This tells Excel to automatically size the selected column to fit the longest piece of content in it. It's a quick way to tidy up a sheet when some entries are cut off and others are fine, without you having to guess the right width. That's it. Thanks for watching.